manufacturers, when you're just starting your business, most manufacturers require like 10,000 units. Now you're just a startup business. I don't need 10,000 pair of jeans right now. And you know what I mean? So it's hard to find manufacturers that want to start out maybe 100 units, 50 units.
Oh yeah.
So like
Trisha's gonna answer that.
Yeah,
She's
so
got
how
some
do-
good
yeah, so how do
answers for you.
find those people that want to help you to start? You have to start somewhere.
Exactly.
Because that's hard.
So it is, and you know, and a lot of times when when you're starting out, it makes sense to produce domestically. For many reasons, you know, you have control. It's easier to go and visit a factory, say in New York, than it is in China, right? If something goes wrong and you've got to get this product to market. Also, you're going to find more companies that will work with low minimums, and that happens to be something that we have in our sourcing guide. We have a guide, it's called the Sourcer's Guide, and it's all fabric companies, trim companies, production facilities in the US and Canada, and a lot of them work with low minimums. And I can talk to you afterwards, but there are several, and depending on where you're at, you can do the full package if you need someone to do your patterns and your samples and get you into those beginning runs of production until you're at the point where you can jump off and go find it cheaper somewhere else. And it's gonna cost you a little more in the beginning when you're doing smaller runs, but there's definitely people out there that will work with you. So if you want, we can talk one-on-one afterwards, okay? All right, thanks.
Yeah, I also just want to say, like, I know everyone's like, oh my God, it costs so much money in the beginning to like get the smaller runs. Well, you're starting on an expensive experiment. I'd rather you spend, if I was like in your ear, I'd be like, yo, spend a little bit more money up front, make sure you know what you're doing, make sure that you price yourself. This is the big thing.
That's a big one, yeah.
Price yourself, right, properly, so that when you do get to scale, right, or when your production costs do fluctuate, your pricing doesn't fluctuate.